Hello everyone, my name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So if you noticed, I have a little something on my head. I am wearing right now a seamless multifunctional scarf, and it's good for outdoor cycling, when you're running. So it's a magic head scarf. You can do whatever you want with it. You can actually make it a tube. I have not demonstrated it yet, but I've seen people wear this as tubes, so I ordered 10 different multifunctional. You can actually have it as a headwear. So this is how you see the ad in Shopee. This is not a sponsored video, but I just want you to know that this exists and this is affordable, and you can have this as an alternative to your usual mask. So this is one of its use. Another use is for this to be your protective mask when you're riding motorcycles or riding a bike, or you want to be protected from the virus. For it not to slip down, what I do is I put it here on my ears, and there you go. So you can use it as a protective mask. What's good about this is that it's thin, you can easily breathe. This is what I wear as well when I'm running, when I'm road running. So muna siya guys, daghan ka siya gamit actually. This is only 23 pesos. The usual price is 50 pesos. So I bought 10 pieces. This is from foi.ph. It's foi.ph. It's made of polyester microfiber. So you can use this while climbing, hiking, traveling. It's windproof. It can be a hair accessory, and it can also protect you from the sun. So you can cover your head, cover your face with it. So the size is 48.5 in length and 24.5 in width. I think it's cm. So the packaging is just plastic. I threw them away, but yeah, I'm gonna be showing you the different designs because you can choose whether you buy bright colors, dark colors. You can only choose the type of colors, not really the specific colors, right? So this is one of them. It has an Aztec design. So if you're into tattoos, this is one of the designs. There, Aztec. Tribal design. And another design is this. So, Moana feels floral, and it still has the Polynesian effect here. If you can see that, right? They also have animal prints. And they also have, I think this is an Asian art. I forgot Thailand or Vietnam, but these are artworks in Asian countries. Bali siya. Basta mo na siya. And then we also have this floral. Nindot kay siya. Oh, I like the nude earth colors in this one. Right. And so I chose bright colors, and they gave me this. So mo pa ni siya, mga polka dots. And another animal print. Okay? One of which, I mean, I think my husband got two. So I'll just show the picture of the other designs here at the side, but and one of them is also this. Okay. There you go. Polka dots and circles. So, muna siya guys. You can also use this as pugong sa inyong buhok. So, if you're not going to use it and you're traveling, I just do it like this sometimes. It actually does a lot of things. You can cover your gadgets with this. It's multifunctional. Daghan gyud kay siya gamit. The reason why I bought 10 is because I did not know my husband would be getting 2. So I wanted it to be ready for everyday use. So every day na ko'y magamit fresh na tube mask. That's what other people call it a tube mask. So, nindot kay siya guys, 23 pesos lang. So, of course, shipping fee is not yet included. I hope you learned something new today. You don't have to settle just sa mga usual na surgical mask, which is disposable and ako yung gibutang kamot, no? Disposable siya. So, I always go for something that can be reused. Of course, you just need to wash this. Things that are multifunctional, I really am for that because if daghan o gamit ang usa ka butang, daghan kag ma-save kwarta. Because you don't have to use a lot of things for specific uses because you only have to wear or use multifunctional things. And that is one of this multifunctional seamless wear, right? So I don't really I don't want to show you. Okay, fine, I'll show you. I'll try this. Chaka man, wait. I'll choose the darker one. Cause ningon sila pwede siya mahimog tube. So I'll try to see if it can fit a medium-sized body. Okay? Good luck. Di ba kanimo bugto? Pwede siya ma-bra-bra. Pwede siya ma-innerwear, actually. Pwede siya ma-innerwear. If ganahan mo if wala mo nakadag bra, then you can use this. Pero murag delikado kasi siya gusos. Maybe because of the type of body that I have. So, the models that they got for the tube na yung ani was petite women. So lisod siya for medium-sized women to use this. Kay murag mulukot siya pa ubos. So, I just wanted to demonstrate if pwede good siya for medium-sized women. But, nonetheless, you can still use it for other things other than that. Because of course, murag kuyawan ta mulukot ni siya pa ubos. Magkahubo mong ahat. So, don't do that if you're not petite. So moto siya guys. So if you want to buy this, you can go to Shopee, foi.ph ang ilahangan, foi.ph, and I paid 105 pesos for shipping fee here to Lapu-Lapu, and they delivered it within 2 weeks. So, muna siya. I hope you liked this video and learned something from it. If you have any questions about me, about the headwear, or about this seamless wear, seamless multifunctional wear, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to, please show your support to my channel by subscribing, tapping on the subscribe from red, it will turn gray, and also tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So thank you so much for dropping by. Thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye, lovies!